Hey guys, this is Ray Sample with Masterful Resin Art, and I just wanted to take a few minutes here to show you how I create my epoxy ocean wave art on this Lazy Susan. I'm using UC Woods Quick Cure epoxy for this particular piece. And as you can see, I've already pre-mixed the colors, and now I'm just going ahead and adding my colors to the board and getting ready to add the white. There's the wave coming in as well, so you can see exactly how all of this is added on first. Once the epoxy's been poured into the places where I want it, I use my heat gun to spread it. And it also creates the ocean effect, the lacing, the white, and then kind of mixes the colors together, so it gives it a really beautiful mixed ocean scene, as you can see it developing here. So after I blew the first white in, I then added just a little more white because some of it had run off the edges, and I wanted a little more on the beginning, on the front of the wave as well. As you can see there, now I'm just kind of creating a little bit more of the ocean wave on that front section. And there it is, all completed and ready for you.